Hey my tech friends, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's continue to grow this channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, so we exercised the exploit that Microsoft has released into the wild with the KB in order to remove our Defender antivirus on this particular system. The question is can we fix it? Can we put Defender back on this system now that we removed it? Let's see if we can use the Microsoft catalog to download the KB to reinstall the Defender application on the system. So what we did is we went to the Microsoft catalog website, we put our KB number in, and we found that we have a variety of different updates available. Now I know from our last video that we were able to use the 0.9 version. So that's the version I'm going to attempt to reinstall on this system. The question is that going to work? So no, so far it does not appear to work. Now that's possible because maybe we need to use the Windows updates to actually see that particular update. Nope, so far it doesn't seem to matter. Maybe if we try a newer one, like the .10 versus the .09. You know, one of the nice things about 7-zip is the fact that if we wanted to, we could right-click on these actual installation processes and extract them, which would give us the ability to see inside the folder and specifically what we got going on. So we know that this particular information here, if we copy this and we go back over into the platform location and paste this in, we should now have the full installation package back for our actual Defender applications. The question is if we go into here now and we hit the restart, can we put the antivirus back into place? We can. So that's how you fix this. If you decided that you wanted to use the exploit, and in the exploit process, you remove the Defender application by using Malwarebytes, but then decide that, you know what, you need Defender because you want to have Defender on the operating system, you should absolutely be able to now go in here and just have Defender. So now if we jump into our services structure, we should see that service sitting in there again. Yep, so there it is. We do have access to it again. And once again, I'm betting that we absolutely don't have the ability to stop these services. So that's how you put that back in. But again, if you want to remove it, you're going to have to go through the same process and just use the Malwarebyte installer. So that way you could trick the system into thinking that there's a full-time antivirus. And then you could just literally just strip the antivirus out of the system. Hopefully that's helpful for anybody that followed that last video that needs to put this back in place. All right, guys, thanks. Take it easy.